Say hi, Bella.
Hi, Bella.
We're going over here. This is Joe's bush. Touch Joe's bush.
No, ew.
Touch his bush.
You touch it.
No.
You don't even want to.
Here, I'll touch it.
I did it.
Ugh. Bye.
No. Give me the camera. Hello, Ayla.
She left. She
Aw.
doesn't want to be seen on camera. Let's get her. Stop being retarded.
I'll be running.
Hi, Layla. What are you doing?
Nothing?
What did you drop? Just the sticks. But I must. Oh yeah, I love that one.
It's nice of your mom to shoot in my hand.
This is a nice kidnapping van of ours.
I wish I had my ears to pierce. I have earrings.
I can pierce them for you.
No.
This is Bella.
Making a video?
Yeah.
You make video stuff?
Yeah, with the camera. Oh yeah, I'll do it. What did I say?
You're raising my blood pressure.
Mia, you're raising my blood pressure.
No, you're raising my blood pressure.
Give it to me. That's not going on YouTube anymore.
Yeah, it is.
You know it's not.
It is.
Stop dancing like a dork. There's your feet. You're raising my blood pressure. Let's see what else.
Ayla, go touch his bush.
Yeah, go touch Joe's bush. She did it. Now put your face in Joe's bush.
Why?
Don't do it.
Why?
I was just kidding.
Nothing. She's being disgusting.
All right.
Like
Well,
she always is.
let's say.